Okay, so now we are discuss about the toolchain of C language and C++ language. There are many high level language, C, C++, Java, Python, but we are currently focusing on C and C++ because the toolchain of these two language is similar or the same. Okay, I'm not quite sure about similar or exact same, but it's quite similar. So now we will discuss about toolchain. First of all, there are 7 steps in the toolchain. I will first guide through till 7 step in the short, and then we go inside in depth of how it works. Okay, so first step is step means what it called step or the process. Okay, step, we assume step. So the first step, first process will be like the programmer. The programmer writes program on the editor. So first will be like programmer. So in my case, I am the programmer. After that, there is we use editor. Second number. So second number is editor. This something too bad. Okay. After that, the second number is editor. So editor, we programmer use editor to write a code. Okay. The IDE, I guess, integrated whatever editor. Suppose editor ignore other and the third is we write program. Suppose hello.c in a editor file. So how it uh, goes to binary level. At binary includes what be extension .exe, I guess. Yeah. So exe file is a binary file. Mm. So after we write a program hello.c in our computer, we press Control Save button. Our program gets saved in the computer, in the hard drive or whatever SanDisk you use, SSD, HDD, whatever you call. We call it hard drive. So our program gets stored in hard drive. So our we use after that the third step is preprocessor. What preprocessor do? Whenever you write a C program, there is called hash include stdio.file, right? Suppose we have write a simple program, just printf, printing hello world or something J Ganesh or whatever text editor text. So whatever our the printf function is included in the stdio.file, which is we included from outside. Without hash include file, our program doesn't work in C language. So what the preprocessor does, which is our third step, the preprocessor is expand the stdio.file and make our code bigger. Okay. So suppose we write our program, all files include, all line include some 10 or 12 lines, just printf. Okay, we are using here. So that's become 6,000, 7,000, thousand, not thousand, 100, 600, 700 lines of program. It becomes. After that, this all our file, the extension of after third step, it was like hello.i. So it means hello dot intermediate. So we go back and come from the first point. First is our editor, not editor, programmer. Okay, sorry for mistakes. First one is our programmer. After that, there is second. First one is programmer. Second one is editor. First one is programmer. Second one is editor. After that, editor write program hello.c, which get converted into hello.i, which means intermediate. The third preprocessor converted to hello.i. The output hello.i is passes to uh, what we call compiler. Compile this code and make a binary code. Okay, compiler make it binary. So this binary code compiler make is binary make or assembly. The output is assembly, ASM. I guess the compiler not make in binary, compiler make in assembly language. So output was the compiler is in assembly language. So in assembly language, the which what happened, the our code is get converted into assembly language, and assembly language file extension have hello.asm, asm or just s, I guess. So ASM is our extension now. We are moved to the first our programmer, second editor, third preprocessor, and now fourth compiler. Now we have hello dot. Which extension we have currently? Hello dot ASM. Okay, so we come from hello.c, then hello.i, which is intermediate code generated by the compiler, third step, and now we have hello.asm, which is assembly file our. So this file is, I guess, after this file, where we go this file after assembly file we have. Now we go towards assembler, we go towards linker, I guess. Yeah. So we go towards linker, and what linker do? Their name specify it's link the two file. Uh, assembly hello.obj returns, I guess. So let me think again. So editor write hello.c. After that, this file go to preprocessor. Preprocessor write hello.i, which is intermediate code. Right. After that, our hello.i goes to compiler. Compile write ASM, assembly language code. Okay, this assembly code passes through assembler. Okay, I forgot assembler. Assembler gets the ASM file from compiler, which is hello.asm, and the assembler gives the file hello.obj, which is a binary file, and but it can't understand by computer as a currently, because the binary file is not complete. We need other file for completion of this single binary file can't run at a time. So there is suppose we assume there is other.obj file. So our current file is hello.obj, and there is another file called name hello other.obj. So what linker do? Linker combine these two files and make hello.exe. Okay, linker job is simply combining other.obj files and make hello.exe. So linker make hello.exe. The linker was our sixth step, and now it will go to the seventh step, which is loader, which come under operating system. Okay, so editor is also operating system part, and linker is also linker, not loader, is also operating system part. So what loader will do? Loader, our file is hello.exe. Okay, now this is save on our computer hard drive. So what linker will do? What loader will do? Sorry for misconception, miscalculation. What loader will do? Get the file from our hard drive and load on RAM. Okay, so till here our file is on RAM, and after that the computer will process it and shows our output to the standard output device, which is console, or you call it display. Simple. So that's how I want to show you how our binary dot high level language codes in C language converted into low level language. It go high level, then middle level, which is assembly, and after that goes to low level. So okay, I guess okay. So I summarize this in a short. So first one is a programmer which write the code in English format. Our in the editor, editor comes with operating system. Okay, and after that, second step. The first step, the programmer. The second step is the editor. We write suppose hello.c file, which pass to the preprocessor. Preprocessor gets the hello.c file, and it expand it and pass to the compiler. So using wrong thumbs. So first one is programmer, then the editor, then the preprocessor, then compiler. Compiler gets which file? Compiler get .i file from preprocessor, and compiler will compile that in make in the assembly file. Compiler is in fourth step. The compiler make assembly file pass to the assembler, assembler perform whatever on ASM file and gets converted into OBJ. So wait a second. So assembler will get file from compiler, and what assembler do is convert the ASM file, assembly file, to the binary. Someone is calling. Okay, wait, ignore it. So assembly file, binary converted. Is making too long. Okay. After that, the file will go to the linker. What linker do? There is our hello.c file and other obj file that get link and make hello.exe, which is our 6 step, and 7 step is our loader, which is operating system part. Loader loads the program from the hard drive, make or hello.exe, which is generated by linker on the RAM. Loader only that task. Okay, thank you.